Ever dreamed of ditching the wallet and traveling the world with just a sleek card? Imagine swiping your way through bustling markets in Marrakesh, paying for gondola rides in Venice, or grabbing a bite at a Michelin-starred restaurant in Tokyo, all without the worry of exchange rates or hidden fees. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Well, if you're a Canadian considering Koho as your travel companion, you might be wondering, does this magical card actually work outside the Great White North? Let's unpack the truth about Koho and its international capabilities. Buckle up, Globetrotters, because we're about to dive into a world of foreign transactions, currency conversions, and everything you need to know to Koho your way around the world. First things first, Koho is a Canadian fintech company offering prepaid MasterCard cards. The key term here is prepaid. Unlike traditional credit cards, you load money onto your Koho card beforehand, so you're only spending what you've deposited. This makes it a fantastic budgeting tool, especially for travel, where overspending can easily derail your dream vacation. Now, the million-dollar question, can you use this prepaid magic abroad? The answer is a resounding yes. As long as the merchant accepts MasterCard, your Koho card should work anywhere in the world. Think of it as your key to a global network of millions of stores, restaurants, and ATMs. Here's the exciting part. Koho boasts contactless payment options, making those quick swipes at busy train stations or crowded cafes a breeze. No more fumbling for cash or searching for chip readers, just a tap, and you're good to go. But wait, there's more. International travel often comes with the dreaded foreign transaction fees, FTFs. These pesky charges can eat into your travel budget faster than you can say souvenir overload. The good news? Koho offers tiered plans with varying FTF structures. The basic plan charges a standard 1.5% fee, which is still pretty competitive compared to most traditional banks. However, if you upgrade to their premium plans, you can score 0 FTFs, meaning you get the exact exchange rate without any hidden costs. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What about those few countries with outdated payment systems? While Koho's global reach is impressive, there are a handful of exceptions. For instance, Cuba might pose a challenge due to its reliance on older technology. Always check Koho's support page or contact their customer service for the latest list of unsupported countries before you embark on your adventure. Here are some additional tips to Koho your way around the world like a pro. Always notify Koho about your travel plans. This helps them flag any suspicious activity on your card while you're abroad, ensuring a smooth and secure experience. Consider using the Koho app to monitor your spending. The app provides real-time transaction updates, so you can stay on top of your budget and avoid any nasty surprises. Be mindful of pre-authorization holds. Hotels, car rentals, and gas stations often place temporary holds on your card for a small amount. Don't panic, these holds are typically released within a few days after your transaction. With all this information in your arsenal, you're ready to conquer the world with your trusty Koho card. Remember, Koho is a fantastic budgeting tool for international travel, offering convenience, security, and competitive exchange rates. So, pack your bags, research those must-see destinations, and get ready to explore the world with confidence and a Koho card in hand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.